you guys can see that I've laid the wig down. Might be just a little bit of leftover residue, but she's fine. I promise. We're gonna get her back and popping to life. So this unit, I think I wore this unit for a week and a half after I posted my review on this unit, because I wanted to get like a really good wear out of it and see how much I liked it, or like how good quality it is. So if you guys have not yet purchased this unit based off of my review or anyone else's review, I'm here to give you guys an update on it, as well as show you like a little bit of styling that I'm going to do. So this unit has been blow dried with a slight bit of air dry as well. If you guys do not remember, this unit is a bit on the longer side. You can't see it all in the frame right now, but it is a longer unit. I'm just combing this hair out. As you can see, it is pretty much combed out right now. This unit is naturally straight also, so I believe it was naturally straight. I'm hoping that's correct information I'm giving you, but I really do feel like this was a naturally straight unit. It's still a little bit damp on the back side, but what I'm gonna do first is just grab random piece of hair, and I want to see how this is about to curl. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of spritz of spray just to give it a nice little sheen. And we're going to curl this up and see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, okay, so it gets hot really fast. So we're just going to curl this around. I do like that there's no snug piece towards the end of this curling iron that this hair could get caught in and, like, you know, snaggle and raggle through. This is getting extremely hot really fast. I can feel it through this hair right now. Oh wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay. Moving my... Oh, that's real nice. Give me some nice little loose curls. Okay. So we're going to make this into not a so defined curled look. We're just going to curl it as much as we can and see how it comes out looking. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this part, you guys, and show you at the end what it looks like after it has all been curled. Alright guys, so this is what this unit looks like after I did these little loose curls with this curling wand, and I have to say I absolutely love this curling wand. This is about to be one of my go-tos when I have some long hair that I need some like loose voluptuous curls, because that is what this curling wand is giving me. Okay, like this is my new favorite curling wand. Okay, you're gonna see this a lot more in my videos, but what I want to get into is this hair. This hair is really good. It's really nice. As far as construction, I love how the unit is made. It's a really great unit. It's a really nice quality made unit. Like I did pluck it and everything myself. As you can see, the lace blends into my skin really well. It's really easy to style. It's nice and long, and it has a good density. I hope you guys enjoyed this update of this unit. I hope you like how I styled it as well. If there's anything I missed out on, make sure you comment below. If you got this far, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.